In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create icon set in Figma. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to build an icon set by starting with high quality resources from the Figma community and bringing them into your own workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to evaluate icon files, and how to open the one you want so it's ready for you to customize. Begin by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into your account so you can open files. The process is the same whether you use the web app or the desktop app. From the Figma home screen, click Community. This is Figma's built-in marketplace of free and paid files shared by creators. You'll find icon libraries, templates, and UI kits that you can preview before adding them to your workspace. It's a great starting point when you need a consistent, scalable icon foundation. Use the search bar and type icon set. You can refine your query to match your style or needs like outline, filled, duotone, 16px, or 24px. If you're building for web or mobile, 24 pixel grids are a common standard. Look at the search filters if you want to focus on files, editor types, or pricing. When browsing results, aim for sets that are vector-based with consistent sizing, stroke weights, and corner radii. Consistency here will save you time later when you scale icons or swap colors. Click a template that looks promising to open its details. Take a moment to preview the thumbnails and read the description. A good icon file usually notes sizing, for example, 24px grid, stroke weight, often 1 or 1.5, and whether icons are components with variants. Check for organized pages, clear naming, and color styles. If the file mentions a license or usage terms, confirm it fits your project. You can also glance at the comments and number of likes to gauge quality. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This will add the file to your drafts and open it so you can inspect the frames and components. If you're using the desktop app, it opens there. If you're in the browser, it opens in a new tab. From here, you have the source icons in your workspace, ready to adapt to your brand's colors, grid, and patterns while keeping everything vector and scalable. That's the full flow. Visit Figma, head to the community, search for an icon set, pick a well-structured template, and open it in Figma so it's ready to use. Follow these steps and you'll have a solid, consistent icon set foundation for your next project.